Hello, staff. I've been getting a few questions about how to make a video out of Google Slides. And so far, this is what I found that has worked for me, that is free. The only downside to it is that it does not allow for transitions in your slides, but it gives you a nice, simple video. So here it goes. Once you've created your slides, which is what we got here, um, the other downside that there is to this is, for whatever reason, I think the district has blocked the app. I don't know why. I don't see anything wrong with it. But if you go here to add-ons and you put get add-ons and you look for creator studio, pops up, but I can't download it. So what I'm having to do is create the slides, then I share it to my personal account, which I have here. It's my personal one. And here I'm able to get the Creator Studio. And so you can see I already have it installed. So as far as music goes, what I normally do is I go to YouTube, type in copyright-free music, because as some of you know, some of you might not know, but if it's a song that is obviously on the radio or whatever, it's copyright, and Facebook flags it down and you can't put in your videos, or they limit it at least. So I just put copyright-free music. I find whatever, whatever song I think is okay, it has a nice good beat. Obviously this is not one for me, but you get the idea. Anyways, you gonna copy the URL. Then I would go to Google and type in YouTube MP3 download. I click on this first link, and then here's where I would insert the URL where I copied from YouTube, and then I click convert. Let the website do its thing. Remember, this is how I get the copyright-free music from YouTube to be able to put in my Google Slides. And then I would just click download. Once I click download, it'll download it into my downloads folder. Actually, I click here, I click downloads. It popped up here. It's called Power something, Power Jam, whatever here, Power Up Jeremy Blake. So it's here. So once I got the song that I want, copyright, obviously copyright free. Once I have that, then I would go back to my personal account in Google, and I would have downloaded the Creator Studio. Here is where I click open, and then it does its working thing, and it'll open up right now. Takes a while. I guess it just depends on how long the slides are. So this little thing pops up. This number right here, the higher the number, the bigger your video screen is gonna be. So this 300, it's a fairly okay size, but your video is gonna be small, and if you enlarge that video, it's gonna be very pixelated. So normally I've been just using 500. Seems to be a good size for Facebook. Obviously, like I said, it does not allow me to have transitions. That's the only bad part. But I can put how long each slide, the lengths in between each slide. So I'll put 3. 3 is pretty good. 4 might be a little bit long. And then here's where you have little options. You could turn it into a little animated GIF, image sequence, or a video file. I haven't done any of that. I put here video with audio. Here it says upload audio file. I would click upload. Go to my downloads folder. Remember, this is my copyright free music. So like I would click power up. And so obviously if you have a lot of slides, you want to pick a song that's pretty long. Unless you shorten up this distance, but 3 is a pretty good number because 2 is kind of fast. 4 is not too bad. So okay, so it's already here. A little X just means to delete the file. Sorry, so this is part 2. I guess I ran out of time. Anyways, as I was saying, click X to remove the song. If you want to put another song, once you see this, click go. It'll render, which means it'll put the song and your slides together. Doesn't take too long. Let me go ahead and X that. Once it puts your slides together, this little download arrow pops up. Click download, and you got your video. So I'll go back to my folder here, downloads, and then it popped up right here. So if I open it, I now have my video with the little music that I added. So that's the way I've been doing it, guys. If you want to create your own, just thought I'd give you a little tutorial real quick of what I've been doing. All right, you have a good one.